What's up guys, this is Josh, ATM technician. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to change the electronic combination on your e-lock in order to be able to reset your combination for your safe. First step you're going to do is take your key, you're going to unlock this front fascia here to the ATM. You're going to enter the combo that you chose. Any standard combination for our ATMs is going to be star 1 2 3 4 5 6 and pound. It's going to unlock. You're going to open the door. While you do this, you want to keep your door open at all times to ensure that you don't lock yourself out, okay? So the very first step is there's a red button back here, if you could see. You're going to push that red button and you're going to push star, and then you're going to enter a 4 or 6 digit combination, and then you're going to always end with pound, and it's going to ensure that the light turns blue. It's going to make a little ringtone that your code has been reset. Now in order to test the combination, you're going to press star, enter the 4 to 6 digit combination you just chose, and pound. Make sure it unlocks and locks. It's good to go. And then I'm going to do it one more time. Unlock this, lock it, and how you always lock it is you just press star, and it stays locked, and you're good to go.